Good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog where we ride a motorcycle in Brooklyn and New York City, here, there, and everywhere. And it's a chilly morning this morning. It's 38 degrees, 39. You know, I'm a little bit over this cold weather, not gonna lie to you. I'm really excited for the warm, beautiful summertime. That's what I really want. And today I have a lot of shit on my plate. I have a lot of things I gotta get done, and I must do them. Well, you know what? It feels good. It feels good to be accomplishing things. It feels good to check items off the to-do list. I had a couple of items on my to-do list that are just like icky. Not to get all dramatic and personal, but I was dealing with some stuff, and I just been putting off this little conversation I had to have, and putting off this little stuff I had to do for a while, for months. And I got it done yesterday, and I also emailed a couple of other people and just reached out about some tasks I didn't want to do in a while. And it's a great feeling to you know, to get things done. That's a dope jacket. I really like it. So anyway, today I have to do this weird task. The company car, the company that I'm working at, come on, buddy. These people just don't care about any of this. I have basically, we're selling the car. We have a Honda Pilot SUV, and I have to sell it today. So I'm taking it to the dealership. I'm gonna get a quote, and then I'm gonna go online and blah blah blah. And it's funny because it's definitely not in my job description to sell cars, but you know, why not? I'm willing to work with it. I'm willing to figure it out. And so I get to drive to Queens. And you know, I should have really worn my head strap. I didn't think about it. I didn't think about wearing my head strap GoPro. That would have been a fun little drive in that car. Damn, should have thought about it. Look at this person. She's confused. I don't want to speed here, but I do have to you know, take this corner at speed. I'm not trying to break any laws. So yeah, so feeling super accomplished. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Even though that person doesn't see the line and they can pull up, there's a perfect room for a bike right in front of this sweet maroon V6 touring Honda Accord. But yeah, so today I'm gonna get more shit done. Tonight, finishing this one project that I've been working on, and then finishing these two other projects. I'm gonna cut some vlogs, gonna clean my place. I have to go grocery shopping. I have a lot of things to do today. Also, I have to go to the gym. I'm just keeping myself busy at the moment, you know. It feels good, and the gym feels nice. I don't do a lot of like heavy weights or anything like that, which I should start doing. I should start pumping some iron. But what I do is a lot of cardio. I'm a big cardio fan, so cardio keeps me fit. It keeps me happy, and I like to ride a bicycle, you know. For cardio, I usually ride my bike. Dude, what are you doing? Son of a bitch. Why not freaking go faster? Son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to go around everybody. That's how it's gonna have to go down, which is fine. I'm gonna go to the left here, double left. It's pretty sweet. And I see another motorcyclist ahead. And damn, that was so fun. That was a fun little 2 minutes before I had to obviously can't go that fast this early because there's traffic. Let me get back to you guys. Yo. Go ahead, buddy. That guy was about that squid life. Can't complain though, you know. He had to pass me and then he got shook like a El Bicho. So today I'm gonna cruise a little bit locally. I'm gonna get off at the Brooklyn Bridge exit and do it that way. I'm gonna see some cobblestones I haven't seen in a minute or two. I gotta get off to the right lane here. Here we are. We're almost there, but we're gonna explore just a touch. We're gonna see what this Brooklyn is all about. So normally I would go straight here, you know, but let's see it. Looks like there's some traffic here, there, and everywhere. And this taxi cab is not about that Rossi life, which is okay. You cannot blame him or her. There's a cop right over there. But we're going to the right. Everybody's going to the left. I'm going to the right. Look at this freaking guy. Look at this freaking guy. There you go. You're doing it, buddy. Look at this, right lane, turn only. No problems. Beautiful downtown Brooklyn, the financial district. What's going on, man? Nice. That's the dude. Cook it a little bit right here. Woo! About to hit Dumbo from the backside. Yeah. That guy in the Harley was splitting hard. He was showing me how it's doing, dude. 8 seconds, 7, 5, 4. Can I do it? Yes. I'm wearing these insulated Lee Parks designs. They're not so bad. I'm not cold at all. It's 40 degrees and I'm feeling good. Can't complain. We got a temple over here to the left. Yeah. So anyway, I'm desperately looking to restart my heart. Haha. That's funny. Oh, look at that. Haven't seen this in a while. I haven't been on these little cobblestone streets in a minute. They're baking some bread. That's cool. Little NYPD traffic situation, giving out a ticket. Can't really blame this person. Yeah. I mean, what the hell kind of fucking parking job is that? Son of a bitch. Alright, I'm gonna go right here. We go like this. More cops. They're just like a Cop Central over here. Cop Central. Beautiful Dumbo. I don't know what this person is doing. You going or no? What are you doing, buddy? North Carolina. Ooh, look at this view of the city here. Nice. This place on the corner here, as I always say, that's where we do that mini Magamoto meet. I'm gonna have to pass this fucking guy. Alright, fuck him. He's just hanging out on the street. I'm gonna go this way. Can I go that way? Not particularly. Let me see. Is there room? No. It's fine. We'll go this way. We'll get creative. Doing a little tour of Dumbo. Why not? Might as well. Look at this. There's like 3 cop cars here. It's a Paul convention. Could have taken a right there, but didn't, which is okay. Oh, look at that. There's like a Caribbean truck. And then we got this little taxi here who's going to be so confused. Oh, I'm confused. I don't know where to go. I don't know where the line is. I'm going to get ahead of him because I do know where the line is. Haven't been on this street in a while. I can't believe I used to ride my bicycle here at full speed, because that was like my shingding. Here we go. Today is Wednesday, so park wherever the hell I wanna, as long as it's not on spots that get cleaned on Wednesdays. There we are. Alright guys, I'll have to talk to you later. I think this might be it. Bye bye.